And that is all I do to refresh my curls, y'all. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm just going to do a quick video on how I refresh my wash and go after sleeping all night. So yeah, I'm just going to get straight into it. So I normally sleep with a bonnet because I don't have a silk pillowcase, so I use a bonnet. And then I just take my pineapple down and I just shake. So I like to take a few seconds and just shake on out my curls and just wake them up and just give them a few seconds to just, you know, settle and wake up. Yeah, so that's about as good as it's gonna get. And I try to just go ahead and shake it out. And this is I think this is day 4 here, so it still has a little bit of definition, but I mean, I'm not really pressed on it. So then I'm just gonna go in with my pick, and a nice little trick that I like to do is my little oil mixture that I use, I just spray the pick so that way I don't have any breakage and frizz, because I already have enough, if you can't tell. So yeah, then I just go in and I just kind of pick it out. So I just go in and I continue to pick and fluff out my curls and just continue to stretch it out and give it life and give it volume. As you also can see, I'm also focusing down at the bottom a lot, just so it doesn't have that weird indentation from being in the pineapple. I used to use a comb during this process, and I don't know if it's the angle that you can like place the pick in your head, but like using a pick versus a comb, like a wide tooth comb, definitely makes a huge difference to me anyway. I definitely feel like it makes a huge difference. But I just go in and I normally love to rock a side part, so I'm always just, I know the way I like my shape to be, and so that's what I do. I just pick it out until I have it to the shape that I want it. And then I kind of just let it settle how it is, how it's going to settle. Then I don't really do my edges like that, simply because like I have edges, but I don't really like lay them. So I guess I will lay them the way that I lay them. Which I'm going to take my glasses off for this because and a good tip, in case you guys did not know, make sure you're tying your edges down, even if it's just for 5 minutes. Like, I live in North Carolina where the humidity is stupid crazy, so at least give your edges a little chance by at least tying them down for a little bit, okay? So I'm going to let this sit for about 5 minutes, and then I will be back to show you guys the finished product. Oh. Okay, I'm back. So it's been about 10-15 minutes or whatever. So I'm taking the scarf off. And that is all I do to refresh my curls, y'all. And you still see a little bit of the definition in there. But yeah, this is literally all I do. Pineapple it, shake it out, pick it out. Might lay my little baby hairs a little bit, and it's not even like wavy, you know. And then I just go on about my day. So if you guys have any questions, you know, feel free to comment down below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.